Hello, today we are going to be looking at 5 AI programming languages to learn by 2019. Very important. By 2019, everything will be shifting toward AI. And I'm going to tell you 5 programming languages to learn by 2019. Alright, first in my list is Python. Python is a very common programming language, very popular and used in AI programming. Currently, it's being used in many schools and universities for teaching AI and machine learning and AI-related courses. Advantage of Python is that it is very easy to learn. It is lightweight. You can set up Python in your system in very few minutes. Below this video, you will see some links to Python tutorials. Python can also be used to write numerical programs for those who like to solve maths. Python can be used to build web applications if you know how to install or set up the Django framework. And Python supports object-oriented programming. So Python is top on my list. The next one is R. R is a programming language that is very popular in use for machine learning and data science. It's easy to learn. It's used in machine learning, as I mentioned. Can be used to produce graphical plots of relations, and also has an IDE called RStudio that is also easy to use. R is free, so I recommend you learn it as another one in case you have the time. Java, yeah, almighty Java, JavaScript, AngularJS, React, Node, all of them are Java based. And Java is another programming language that can be used for AI. So this is in 2019. These are top the list of programming languages that needs to be learned. Java, many of the tools is free. For instance, Eclipse IDE, NetBeans IDE, all these are very free tools that you can use to write Java programs. Number 4 is MatLab. MatLab is very robust, contains many tools like Simulink, toolkit for fuzzy logic neural networks. It's used for data analytics and used for machine learning, also used for mathematics, but much more it can be used for AI programming. You can actually write programs in MATLAB called mscripts. So these mscripts that have extension .mat can be used to can be run just like any other computer program. The downside of MATLAB is that you actually need to pay something to be able to get MATLAB. It is not free. But MATLAB is very good for machine learning and for numerical programs. Prolog. Well, this made my list because Prolog is the programming language that actually is designed for AI, is the artificial intelligence programming language. So for those who are doing computer science, maybe you can take out some time to learn Prolog, especially if you have some knowledge of Fortran, Basic, Pascal, or some academic programming languages. You can always learn Prolog. So these are the top 5. Remember, I mentioned Python, R, MATLAB, and I mentioned Java, and then Prolog. By 2019, these will be the top programming languages because everything now is moving toward AI. So the question is, where do I start? Well, you can take some beginner tutorials from the link below this video. There is a link below. Take beginner tutorials. Then leave a comment saying what you would like to learn. If you like to learn MATLAB, you like to learn Fortran, because after now I'll gather the group of responses of what programming languages many my subscribers want to learn, and I'm going to make tutorials on them. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button down below to subscribe to these to my presentations and to my lessons, so that when I start making these tutorials, you will get notified. I'd like to thank you for viewing.